I'm going to be doing some work outside at night, and I wanted to get some headlamps that were substantial and that were rechargeable instead of having to replace batteries too often. And based on reviews, I ended up with this set. This is a set of 2 headlamps, and these are rechargeable. They come with USB-C cables for recharging, and these are definitely for long-term good use. So we've got the battery pack on the back and the light unit in the front. They have a strap that goes around the top of the head and then straps that go around the side. That's to distribute the weight and make it real comfortable so it's not leaning on your brow when it's a heavier light like this. We've got a substantial light up here, as you can see, LED, good magnification. You got the USB charging port underneath the little cap there. Pretty neat. Turn it on, you got a button on top here. Whoa, it's really bright. Got a couple of different modes. So right away, this mode, I can feel the warmth, I can feel the heat on my hand there. When you've got a bit of a task, you got a flasher and a signal. So these are going to be handy when we're doing work at night. And we want to have definitely like flashlight level, angled task lights. And if you were going to be running or riding a bike at night, this is the way to go. There's a set of 2 in here. They both come with the charging cables. Hope this helps.